Beat the butter with condensed milk, a secret that the confectioners don't want you to know. In a mixer, we're going to start by adding 200 grams of butter. Everyone, let this butter reach a paste-like consistency, neither too hard nor too soft. Let's now add our whisk. And now let's beat it well until the butter starts to change color. And everybody, this is already the ideal point, so let's stop beating now. It will stay at this point. And next, we're going to add another 200 grams of condensed milk. When everything is ready, let's go back to mixing. As soon as it reaches a very firm point, remove it from the container. Just look at the texture, guys. Let's capture it and transfer it to a piping tip. You can use this as cake filling, as a topping, or even as whipped cream. Look how incredible it looks, super firm and incredibly quick and easy to make. And the best part is, you're only using 2 ingredients. For those of you who don't like traditional whipped cream, this is a great alternative. It's much tastier and looks a lot like fondant. Try making it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope that you all liked it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending a big hug. See you next time and thanks.